Hello, YouTube and dear crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to another episode of Equibit Crypto. Today we have breaking news as Amazon enters the WAXP ecosystem. We are thrilled to announce that Amazon, the company, the billion-dollar company, enters the collectibles space by investing in Dibs.io. So, what is Dibs.io? Dibs.io is a real-time fractional card marketing using WAX technology. So what they really do is that if you own a baseball card or any card, you can fractionalize it because these cards can be really expensive. So that's what you do with stocks when they become too expensive. You divide them up so you can address a broader market because not everyone can buy a card for like $20,000 or even more. I'm not into baseball cards and all that, so I don't know what the market value is on those, but this is huge. And what this also implements is that you can basically fractionalize anything. You can still over the blockchain and probably with Wax, you can make the local barber shop into to NFTs and sell these NFTs to investors all over the world. This is absolutely revolutionary. I don't think people even begin to imagine the grasp of this possibility. Because in order to get listed on an exchange, on a stock exchange, that's a big deal. Here you can actually fractionalize anything, and you can sell any income stream you have, small or big. You can fractionalize it, and you can give it out to people who are interested in owning part of your business or part of your income. So what I really like about Wax is how easy it is and how easy it is for people who are not into crypto to just understand it basically right away. Because all you have to do is go to wallet.wax.io and click login with Google. Make sure you have your email address like with this Google Authenticator so no one can hack you, and then you have your wallet. You just click sign in with Google, and that's it. Then you need to go and stack a little bit of Wax in order to do operation, but there is no fees on Wax, no fees whatsoever, because whatever you stack, you can unstack, and then you get all your Wax back. So it's very good in this world of huge fees because there everything all transactions are free. You are basically just stacking some wax on the system, and then you can do operation and transfers on the system. Here I will show you a little bit about Wax. This is a game on Wax. This is on Play to Earn because Wax is also a gaming network for Play to Earn games, which is going to be, well, which already is the next big thing. So we just click this guy, we click find job, we find the job here, and let's see if there's any jobs available. Here we have a job. Okay, I click perform, and I just made zero point 0.2 wax. So that is also another thing with wax. It got all of these hidden gems that haven't really pumped yet. So I would recommend everyone to at least get started on wax and play a few games, have some fun, and see if you can make some money while you are having some fun. So let's finally do some technical analysis on WAXP to see where we are as the markets are crashing like crazy. Are we worried? Not so much. Anyway, we see there is a big pump, of course, of about 50%. I think it was once this news were released on Twitter, 56%, and now we have come down a little bit from this as many people choose to sell the news after the recent sell-off we've been seeing. We are also below this line, which is from the start of the October bull market. So that is it's not so good. I really wish we could held this line, But as we can see here, we got the 20 moving average now coming in and crossing the 50 moving average, making a bullish cross within the next 4 hours probably. Even though we are seeing quite the dip due to other things than wax. I think if it were not for all of these things going on in the crypto market with the recent sell-off, and this Evergrande story and all that, we would see WAXP climbing, but due to this, there is a lot of fear in the market. So where can we expect support to come in? We do have these two moving averages, so around this point here is probably a good place for support to come in. As we can also see, we are supported by this here sideways movement. So let's put in a line here. It can go lower than this by all means, but we're just identifying our support levels. So we can maybe move this down a little bit so we get this spike here from the dead cat bounce here. Um, and then we can say that this area here around 0.53 is probably an area of support. We might break it to the downside. Then we are supported by this line here. It's not huge support, but as we can see, we have a little bit of sideways movement here, but WAX recently have been on a tear, so it's really in its price discovering phase. And we saw with the Binance news a few months back, and also the Meta pump from Facebook. WAX really just have been on a tear, and now more and more bullish news are coming out for WAX. So overall, on WAX, I'm bullish, and overall on the crypto market, I'm bullish as well, because what we see on the on-chain analysis is that there are getting less and less Bitcoin and Ethereum on exchanges. So I think there is a lot of buying going on behind the scenes, peer-to-peer transactions between whales and between big players, because the big institutions are really not interested in paying too much for their crypto. But we who follow the space, we can't think now that the bear market is here, because there is so many things happening. I mean, all the things that happened this year, it's been the craziest year for crypto since yeah, well, since ever, basically. We had nation states adopting Bitcoin. We had so many things happen that I cannot believe that we would see a prolonged bear market right now with the metaverse, with everyone's getting hyped about play to earn, but all these things that is gaining attention in media in mainstream media every day. I mean, just today I sold some NFT land for what was it, 15,000? Something like that, around 15,000 US dollars, and that's small money. That's not making any headlines. I'm not even going to make a video about that. So things are crazy, and I do not believe we are going to see a bear market here now. I think this is just whalish games, and that's what the data says, because more and more Bitcoin is being withdrawn from the exchanges, but the price keep dropping due to fear, due to this Fed tapering, and also a little bit with the whole Cervezas situation. So, but I'm not worried. I'm just seeing this as a perfect opportunity to stock up on some more GBTC and Ethereum trackers and the other stuff, other trackers I have. And yeah, let it ride. You only live once. So I think that's it for now, and I wish you all a very pleasant evening, and thank you for watching, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.